Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and Vivo just unveiled the Vivo Y29. And guys, and this is a new budget phone that we have from Vivo, and this phone is costing around only 50,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range, we have Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 SoC with 8 GB of RAM. Also, we have 6500 mAh of battery size with a 44-watt super fast charging. This phone has a Scott sensation glass on the front. We also have some AI features on the Vivo Y29 and the Snapdragon 685. It is, I would say, it is okay in this price range. Nothing special about the Vivo Y29 in terms of the processor wise, although we have 6500 mAh battery size, and the color I have is the white color. So you can see in the box it is very similar to others Vivo phone. Let's remove the plastic with my knife, and let's see what is Vivo has you offer in this price range. So on the top we have our device, Vivo Y29. So now let's out the phone from this wrapping. So here is a white color looks like. I gotta say this one looks absolutely beautiful, and the back it is slightly curved from all areas, as you can see, which feels really good in the hand. This phone has a 6500 mAh battery size, yes, and the device it feels slightly heavier as compared to other smartphones, but it is okay, excellent job in terms of the weight distribution wise. So now let's quickly boot. So we have some, so inside there we have our silicone case, and we also have our warranty card information stuff. So we also have our 44-watt super fast charger inside the box, which is a good thing always. And also we have our USB type C to USB A cable, and lastly we have our SIM injection tool inside the box. So now let's put all these things inside the box, and now let's look at the Vivo Y29 in the white color. So the phone it is on. So anyways, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, and we don't have any headphone jack looks like, which is a really disappointing. We should have headphone jack. So on the left hand side we have our SIM tray. So we also have rubber gasket, although we only have hybrid SIM slot. We don't have a full-fledged SIM slot on this Vivo Y29. Really disappointing stuff. So on the top we have absolutely nothing. We don't have any noise cancellation microphone. So volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button, it is on the right hand side, and inside the power button we also have our fingerprint scanner. So overall the design looks, I would say, really beautiful. One of the main highlight of the Vivo Y29 is the design as well as the battery, even the fast charging. And this one has a 50 megapixel main camera, then we have 2 megapixel depth sensor, we have aura light as well as a LED flash. So the frame it is made up of plastic. On the front we have 6.7-inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 120 Hz refresh rate. We should have a full HD Super AMOLED with 120 Hz refresh rate on this Vivo Y29, but Vivo still is giving you a 720p 120 Hz IPS LCD display in the 50,000 PKR, which is not acceptable by any means. Also we have a center punch hole on the top. The bezel it is also not really small on this Vivo Y29. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. So guys, here's the first boot of the Vivo Y29, and the first impression about the display quality, this phone has old 720p 120 Hz IPS LCD display. So here's a max brightness looks like, and the display I would say it is okay, especially for indoors. I wish that we have AMOLED on this Vivo Y29. So here is the notification panel looks like. We also have our gaming mode. So let's go to the settings, and now let's see Android version. So about phone, this phone is running on latest Android 15. Also we have Vivo FunTouch OS version 15, Qualcomm Snapdragon 685, I would say, which is okay in this price range. Not the fastest SoC, but still we have 128 GB of internal storage, only 104 GB it is available for you guys. Also inside the display, here is the refresh rate option. On default it is on smart switch, but I will leave that on the 120 Hz because auto mode it is not very optimized on these mid-range level phones. So let's see the fingerprint scanner. As you can see in the fingerprint scanner, it works fast, but And the fingerprint scanner, it is little bit wobbly. When I press, I see some sound. So let's look at the camera. So this phone has a 50 megapixel main camera, and here is a portrait mode, only available with a 1x. Night mode also available. Here is the video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot only full HD at 30 fps. We also have our 50 megapixel mode. We also have our slow motion, and here is the pro mode, and here is the dual view video mode. Let's look at the front facing camera. So this one only has a 8 megapixel, so the colors looks okay, I would say. And the front camera also shoot only full HD at 30 fps, and here is the portrait mode. Night mode also available, and the slow motion, it is not available. So guys, now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has 6500 mAh battery size, and combined with the 44 watt super fast charging, and this phone should give you at least 2 days of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And Snapdragon 665, it is okay in this price range, but the display, even the processor, it is not really good on this phone. But another that, this phone, it is a solid choice. And the front facing camera also really weak. So that's about it, and thanks so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo Y29. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.